Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Google Calendar to Windows 10 taskbar using Vivaldi browser. For this, first open Vivaldi browser and visit Google Calendar website and then sign into your account. Then minimize this one window. Now click on this one start button. Type Vivaldi. In the search results, right click on this one Vivaldi app, select open file location. Again, right click on this one shortcut, select open file location. Now press shift key on the keyboard and then right click on this one Vivaldi application. Select here copy as path. Now right click on the free space on the desktop, select here new and then shortcut option. In the location box, paste this one path, then put one space, then hyphen, then type URL, then put one space. Now copy the Google Calendar path from the Vivaldi browser and paste it at the end. Then click on this one next button. Name it Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now select this one desktop shortcut that you have created now and choose here pin to taskbar. This will pin a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar to your Windows 10 taskbar. Whenever you will click on this one Google Calendar shortcut icon in the taskbar, it will open a new tab in your Vivaldi browser and you will see your Google Calendar website will be loaded here.